Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix something went wrong on YouTube. So guys, if you try to play video on YouTube on your iPhone and it's showing the error something went wrong, then I'll show you how can you fix this. Just simply you have to close this page from here guys, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings and make sure that you were properly connected with internet. Okay guys, so just simply have to turn the aeroplane mode on at least for the 60 second and then turn this off. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go to general and just simply make sure that you are using your phone on the latest iOS update. Okay guys, and after that check whether it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to make sure that you have an updated version of YouTube. Just simply you have to app store and there you have to search for YouTube. Just simply you have to open this and just simply you have to search for YouTube and make sure that you are using latest version of YouTube. So from here guys, just simply check. As you can see guys, I have an updated version, and if it's not working for you, if you have an updated version and still not working, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open settings from here. Just simply you have to go to general, then you have to tap on date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct, and make sure that both of these toggles are turned on. And after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if once is there guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to open setting, then tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset. Now tap on reset network setting. So you have to reset your network setting from here. This will delete all network setting, returning them to factory defaults. And just simply you have to force restart your device, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.